Yes, my fanatics, my folks, my audience, one another video, quick and fast, no bumble ras. So we I say, Wagwan, you know, Wagwan, Christian and Beanie Man. I wonder if because Beanie Man belly get too rascal, big for the Empress, you know. And when Beanie Man lay down on the Empress, you know, you don't know, say, sitting there, get press, you know. You know, say, I eat that thing there, keep up, you know. So, who feel like, say, you understand? The Empress let Beenie Man because Beenie Man belly get bigger and bang, you know. And him get a Y, you know. What you say is a W or a L. No. It's a Y, you know. You understand what I mean? So Beenie Man knows, oh, him a fi taking chalk and mark up them blackboard. In I'm shilling going should be in the long sword. Girl I go drive me car by your road. Yo, yeah, hear me doctor, I better sort out the big belly there. I don't make none of them girl like car what? Old dog like you have a girl in me now, trees and two. Yo, yeah, hear me. Oh no, easy, my people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience. You understand? There's some people, my reason, my people, I say, you know what? You should, you feel have more fun pay your channel. You understand? Did Crystal. That's what she name. You understand what I mean? When you leave the edge low tide. Remember me telling you, did Crystal leave be the man because the man belly big and oh. You understand? And the man can draw out the shield and show me in the long soul, you know. And him can drive the car up on the road. What a Ross cloth, you know. You understand? This make me want the world of dance for up and me yard gate straight to yard. Overall, my fanatics, my folks, me I let him be you, no easy. Tell me one thing.